Hey guys, Joe here doing a quick one on the phone, something I haven't done yet on this phone. Hopefully it looks okay. It is a pretty decent phone, so I'm assuming the video will be alright. Before I get going, first off, thank you to the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys coming on board. If you haven't subscribed, consider getting subscribed. I do different stuff. Sometimes I do random videos like today, but most of the time it's Mondays and Fridays for new videos. Get subscribed. Also, check out links down below. There's an Amazon affiliate link for anything you need, such as the camera I'm using or some of the accessories you may see in the video. I'll link to each individual piece, as well as a link to my buddy's gun shop, www.libertyarms.us. If you go there, use my discount code Jimmini, Jimmini, you will save 5% off your online order. I get nothing from that one. That one is just something my buddy and I go shooting. I appreciate him letting me use guns, so we try to help each other out. Now that a minute's gone by, let's get back to this. This is my Para 1911 Expert model. You've seen a video on it. You've probably seen two videos on it if you look at them in the playlist. And this is a 5-inch stainless steel model, chambered in 45 ACP. Now, when I first got it, it was bone stock. Absolutely bone stock. It still basically is, with just a couple of small minor differences. First one is the plastic grips that it comes with just really actually hurt my hands. It's hard to see. You can see there it's healing. I actually got blisters on both hands from shooting it because I was ignoring how much it was slipping in my hands. If you watch in the video, that one up there, you'll actually see that I readjust my grip a lot when I shoot because my hands, number one, I have nerve damage, connective tissue disorder, so I don't get as good a grip as I think I'm getting. But number two is I will ignore pain, and this was just grating. That's actually blood from my hand. Sorry if that's gross, but I'll just keep shooting right through it. And I knew I was going to get some Hogues. I just hadn't decided which ones first. And I just went with the traditional Hogue automatic pistol style. Yeah, they haven't changed their package ever, I don't think. And they don't need to. But these are just a nice factory style double diamond, but they're a rubber. And these will be so much better for me when I'm shooting. I do need to do something about the front strap because it has no checkering, but I didn't want to put Packmeyers or anything on here that was going to cover that. I just may put a strip of skate tape like I did on my Rock Island. But the rear checkering's fine, so this will help out a lot. Second thing I said I was going to do was I wanted a Magwell, and who better to go with than a Wilson Combat. I could have went with like a super flared Magwell, which would have been like a competition or 2011 style, but I wanted something a little more subtle. It doesn't look this bronze in real life. It actually looks a lot darker. The camera is just making it light. But yeah, now I have a Magwell in there. And unfortunately, I really wasn't considering the factory mags when I ordered it, because the factory mag is too wide on the base. It's not that it's actually too wide, it's just that this is too tall. So I'm going to have to either get some Wilson Combat base pads, which is probably what I'm going to do because I don't want to destroy the original pair of Ordnance pads, or something else, because this interferes with the side of the Magwell. Which kind of segues into the next part I was going to talk about. My voice just cracked because someday I'm going to go through puberty. As I've said in previous videos, both gun-related, video game-related, car-related, it doesn't matter which, you should always make friends with your more than just occasional dealer. Be it a car dealer, video game dealer, gun dealer, drug dealer. Just kidding. Jimmini Show does not condone the use of drugs unless they're prescribed by an actual physician. The more you know. But by doing that, you can find some good deals. My buddies that own a gun shop close to where I actually live, not my buddy that I just talked about at the beginning, but the other gun shop, had a bunch of 1911 mags laying around, so I picked up some because I wanted some more mags. It's never a bad thing to have extra 1911 mags, and dollar for dollar, they're usually cheaper than any other model or type. Glock mags tend to be a little more expensive, although Glock mags are reasonable, but good lord, some SIG mags are expensive and all that stuff. But my buddy gave me a deal. I got a couple of Mechgar mags. That one's a blued stainless, or a blued steel one. This one's a stainless, which matches the gun really nice. Probably what I'll carry it with for now. Because unfortunately, I also bought, that's a Wilson Combat mag. but it doesn't fit because this is actually for a commander. This is a para Ordnance mag, but also for a commander. And this is a para Ordnance mag, also for a commander. I thought that all it was just the catch for the mag release needed some massaging, and as you can see, I actually did some on this magazine, but no, it's way too low in comparison. Yeah, you can see I tried making it fit, but I didn't want to destroy those mags because they're still usable. So I'm just stuck with these ones, which isn't a terrible thing because they work good. Mechgar makes a good mag, but now I need other mags for this particular firearm. Oh well. Installation is super easy on 1911s. There's literally 2 screws on each side that hold your grips on. These ones are hex head because they look good. You take those off. The Wilson Combat Magwell just slides in over the base where these 2 bolts go in, or 2 screws go in, and then you tighten them down. There's no modification to the firearm necessary, and it just lines up with the Magwell. And if it had been the right color, it would look really good. I thought it was going to be black or dark blued, which is what it said on the online and on the actual package. But yeah, it's again hard to explain why, but it looks a lot darker in real life. Silly colors, tricks are for kids. But yeah, once I get this base pad replaced with probably a Wilson Combat base pad, then I'll have 5 good mags for this gun and a reason to maybe buy a officer's or commander size para Ordnance. Yeah, let me know down below if you like this kind of modifications, or if you would have gone something more extreme, if you would have went Gucci gun. Leave me a comment. I answer them all, especially if they're a question, unless they're badly worded and me, I'm no good English speaking. And don't forget to get subscribed, check out other videos, watch my playlists, and as always, I'll talk to you later.